Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about how to open a social trading account step by step. All right. If you have been curious about social trading or you are ready to get started, this walkthrough will give you everything you need to know. All right. So let us quickly begin with the basics. All right. Social trading is a way of trading that allows you to follow and connect with other traders. All right. So instead of making decisions completely on your own, you can observe how experienced traders approach the market. You see their strategies and even copy their trades automatically if the platform allows it. All right. So this is why opening a social trading account has become so popular among beginners as well as intermediate traders. All right. So now the first step is choosing the right platform. Now, not all social trading platforms are the same, okay? And you will want to pick one that is reliable, transparent, and user-friendly, all right? Look for platforms that provide detailed trader profiles, performance history, risk levels, and clear tools for managing your account, all right? So, let's just see. So a good platform makes it easier to learn and grow without confusion. All right. Once you've chosen your platform, of course, the next step is registration. So opening a social trading account usually starts with filling out a basic application form. You'll need to provide your name, date of birth, email address, and contact information, right? Depending on regulations, you may also be asked about your financial background and trading experience. Okay, so these details help the platform to ensure compliance and offer the right type of account for you. Okay, so you just have to do your due diligence and look for the platform that you are comfortable with. All right. Look for the platform that you're comfortable with. Okay. Which one are we going to use for practical now? All right. So once you select your chosen broker, you can go through reviews, go through the features of the brokers and all of that, and select the one that you prefer. And then you sign up, you do your registration, right? After registration comes verification. This step is very important and cannot be skipped, right? You'll be asked to upload a valid government issued ID. Okay, let's just try another if this one's not opening. Okay, seems like this particular broker is not opening. Okay, so you you'll be asked to upload the details, probably documents, whether it's a government issued ID like passport or driver's license, along with proof of address, like utility bill or bank statement. Verification is required by law for financial platforms, right? And it ensures that your account is secure and compliant. So once approved, the social trading account will be fully active. Okay, so once you have signed up with the broker successfully, then of course you can see I just had to pause the video for a bit so that I can log into this, and yeah. So here, this is Xness. All right, you might not necessarily need to use Xness. You can use any other broker of your choice. All right, but of course, you just have to ensure that the broker you are using is a legitimate broker. All right, you don't want to get scammed. Okay, so this is copy trading, for example. So once you sign into the platform, you can just look for the copy trading session, and of course you have to set up your profile. Obviously, after your account is verified, you set up your profile. This usually includes maybe adding a profile picture, customizing your bio, and sometimes answering questions about your trading preferences. A well-set profile helps you connect with the community and allows others to see who you are if you want to interact within the platform. Now comes the exciting part. Yeah, exploring the social trading features. You'll be able to view list of experienced traders. Right, you can even see in this place. You can see most copied. These are most copied. Strategies. Right. You can see. Okay. Favorites. Okay, this is if I have favorited any of them. Right. Okay, you can just select from see all. You can select from the list of traders available. You can see the returns, the percentage of your profit that will be taken, the number of investors, and all of that, right? You can look into more detail. Okay, so this was the maximum drawdown. These are very important details to pay attention to. You have to look at the maximum drawdown, look at the returns. If you're not comfortable with the kind of risk the person is taking, this drawdown is too big, man. So if you are not comfortable with the maximum drawdown, in this case, this is 63.23%. Wow. So if you're not comfortable with the risk, you can just go look for another, trader. This one also has a high maximum drawdown. Okay. So we can't possibly go through all the options here, but I'm just trying to tell you that you should pay attention to all those details. All right. Pay attention to the drawdown, the percentage, and everything, the number of investors. You can look out for the currency pairs that the trader is trading and all of that, right? So many platforms allow you to follow traders, copy trades, or simply watch and learn. Make sure you check their performance history before you copy. All right, so this is the core of social trading, learning by observing and connecting with others who already have experience in the market. Finally, before you start trading live, it's always recommended to explore the platform using demo or practice features if available, right? So this gives you a chance to test how copying trades works, understand how positions are opened and closed, and get comfortable with the tools before committing real funds. And that is the full process of how to open a social trading account, right? So choose the right platform, complete registration, verify your identity, set up your profile, and then explore the features that allow you to connect with and learn from other traders. If this video helped you understand how to open a social trading account, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you will always have access to more trading guides, tutorials, and strategies to help you on your journey. Now you know exactly how to open a social trading account and start exploring this powerful way of learning and trading. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.